Hello, my friends! For a long time, it was difficult to explain our Dreammaker songs. Now, with the progress of computer and especially of the internet, it is possible to give a more understandable explanation. The painting, without light animation, by its particular rigorous structure, its varied colors and lighting, releases an evolving visual vibrational field which enters in conjunction with the acoustic vibration field of the exterior. At certain time, this set establishes a mental connection with the other internet in another dimension. The more I manage to refine the sound quality, and the more accurate the shapes and colors in relation to the book of relations, the easier the connection will be. Wi-Fi enables cable connection to be freed from the physical waves of the internet. In the connection, it's a kind of super Wi-Fi, since it only happens mentally. When the connection is established, we turn into a biological moment, a musical instrument. Our sound looks more like instrumental music than sound. Someone in another dimension composes, directs, plays with us. This music is a bit like a dream in which one passes from one climate to another without even realizing it, and forget it right after. Perhaps there are several available musicians, one for each singer, but it is certain that there is only one composer, conductor. Well, you see, not on Earth anyway. These sounds do not resemble anything earthly, even if at times the voices evokes things of that ancient traditions. These songs, musics, which are sacred at the highest level, since in direct relationship with the Creator. At least that is what I feel. Do not resemble any recognized sacred song. I also think that he listened to these connection songs, because if we have not recorded them, we don't even know what we did. Everything is immediately forgotten. Today, in 2021, I am still singing alone, which I continue to do every week. Dreammaker is no longer a group, but me alone. This name is widely used on social networks, but I claim to have been around since 1981, when I painted the painting that bears his name that was later given to the group. It had been more than 4 years since I had the idea of rereading the book of Revelation, and I had not yet arrived at anything really conclusive. Common point, yes. Obvious events. But could it be just a coincidence? Wouldn't I have been led astray by a dubious resemblance? Yet there were all these visions, and still there was something troubling that reinforced me in this direction. Our connection songs. They are described in this book. 14.3. They sang a new song before the throne and before the four living creatures and the elders. And no one could learn the song except the 144,000. A hymn is a song. New is what we do. We can't learn it because we can't remember it. The Dreammaker singing session is over, and we can't remember anything ever. As for the number 144,000, it should be taken with great caution and insight. I should point out that almost all the numbers in this text are symbolic. They have several meanings and do not necessarily represent a quantity. as in many esoteric or mystical texts of antiquity, many in Egypt. The indication that it should not be taken literally comes from the huge number. The Stadium of France should be completely filled, including the whole lawn where the singers would be squeezed together like in the subway during the rush hours. This number can be found elsewhere, always to be taken symbolically. At the beginning of 1993, I still couldn't really understand it. But when the final painting was completed, we saw that on the sides there are 12 squares. Since it's square, 12 multiplied by 12 is 144. In fact, the 144,000 means, according to what I have interpreted from my experimentation, shows even in small numbers whose thing in front of the painting whose reference number is 144. Every time this number appears, after I have identified it, it will mean that we'll have to intervene on this great composition. The zeros that follows are intended to make it clear that this is a symbolic number. Moreover, to confirm this, toward the end of the previous paragraph, to which I will return later, it is written 13.18. This is where finance is needed. Let the man with a mind. I think John's text contains a lot of feeling intended to hide the true meaning. A comparison can be made with the Cold War era. We know that the KGB was sending messages to dormant agents through press articles. In the middle of a paper with little interest, there were key words that had meaning only for those to whom they were intended. John wrote his paper based on knowledge, fears, resentment, and prejudice of his time, dressing up in a pure geometric abstraction of spooky image with frighteningly frightening and particularly difficult to read. To better distance those to whom it was not addressed, and divert from the hidden understanding that could only take place in our time. At the end of the times, it is because I did not have more money than the bare necessities for my rent to feed myself freely, and especially for my research, that I found solution outside of the box. The money I needed fell from the sky at the right time, the purchase of a painting, an order, etc. But every time I'm in a bad patch, I wonder, what if what has always worked so far stops? But until today, over more than 30 years, it never stopped,